Sound problem is back in the car. Despite replacing all the components, as you can see with the controls, I'm able to just do the mute button is the only one that works. The other buttons, such as the presets, don't end up changing the station. There's no sound coming out, and it also can't use the phone because of that. From the steering wheel, I am able to cycle through and change the stations, but pressing the volume doesn't make any change to the volume, and there's no sound in the car. It's not on mute, as you can see here. So same problem persists after all the replacements. Really frustrated and disappointed at this point, and I will speak to you. Thanks.